Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Vaikari Pujari. I'm a stylist and an entrepreneur. I have my own styling company, Uniquely Mainstream, wherein we style everyone, even you. Yes, you heard it right. We provide styling services as per your body type, in your budget, and we also don't ask you to buy anything from us. It'll be all from the brands that you already love. So do check us out here on Instagram. As I tell you in my every video, do feel free to drop me a DM to get to know your body type better, or if you want any styling tips, I'll be glad to help you out. I've been receiving a lot of such DMs and your words literally make my day. For YouTube, I make any sort of videos that you might find useful. I have also made videos on what to buy from where in Indian market, all the trendy things, all the stylish things that you might need in your closet. So go check out those videos as well. I'll be leaving a link here and also in the description. As you know from the title, today's video is a haul. There have been so many hauls on the channel already, by the way, so you can go check them out in the playlist as well. But for today's video, I decided to do a loungewear haul because loungewear is something I really care about. I don't know how many of you care about the same, but even if I am home just lounging or sleeping, I want my clothes to be pretty, but at the same time it's loungewear. You don't want to spend a lot of money on it, obviously. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you all about all the good affordable loungewear brands, where you can find them and which time you should buy them. When I say which time, I mean about the sales that they have going on, and also I update about all the sales, not just loungewear brands, but all the sales on my Instagram here, so you can always stay tuned there. Recently in one such sales, I bought 8 items. 3 of them are full length dresses and jumpsuit, and all other are top. And brand, by the way, brand is Neon from Westside. For guess how much price? Just guess it. 1700 rupees only. Sale can get that crazy. Stay updated there. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before jumping into the brands and the products that I have here, I just want to quickly tell you that all of these things are not new. Some of them I have been using for a little while, but I wanted to include everything to give you guys all the details about the brands and their pricing and the quality as well. Also, just a not so fun fact, I am shooting this video for the second time because the first time ka footage was not that great. So it would be really helpful if you guys can subscribe to the channel. Having said that, let's start with our very first brand. It's Zivame. I love this brand. This has been my personal favorite for a very long time, majorly because they have all sorts of loungewear, and if you buy them in sales, they can be really affordable as well. My personal favorites are their short sets. So the first thing that I have here is a short set. It has a coffee mug cutesy print on it, and it also has the ruffles on the sleeve, and the shorts are the same with the same print, and then again have a ruffle at the bottom. I'll be putting up all the product snapshots here, and I'll try to link as many products as possible in the description below. But the thing is that some of these products are so old. For example, this set that I just showed you is 2 years old, believe me, and I haven't used it even once. I just have this thing that I don't want to use something and ruin it if I like it too much. So this is that kind of thing, and I'll try to put all the links, but if not for that, you can always find similar things on their website as well. This one I got in a buy one get one offer 2 years ago, as I told you, but they still have those offer going on many a times, and I update you on my Instagram. So on a buy one get one offer, I got this for less than 500. Yes, the complete set for less than 500. I have one more set that I got with this one. I'll be putting the clip or the picture here. I don't have it with me right now because it's somewhere in the house and I use it so much. I use it way too much. It's not even white anymore. You can probably see in the clip. I'm gonna show you a few more products from Zivame as well, but let me tell you, all of the products have amazing quality. They are so soft, and you can just drop them in the washing machine to wash and they'll be just fine. I hate those kind of loungewear when they look very pretty and they have a great quality, but then you have to hand wash them most of the times, majorly satins, and nobody wants to take so much effort on their loungewear, right? So for that case, this kind of material is perfect. It's that cotton plus hojiri kind of a material, and it's absolutely perfect. It's non-stretchy, and the size S fits me perfectly well. Usually my size for the top is S and for the bottoms is M, but from Zivame I always buy S, and even the shorts fit me well. All the things from Zivame are a little plus size always, so you can always go a size down. Next thing from Zivame is a gown. Now fun fact about this gown, actually two. I got this one from my roommate. She got introduced to Zivame because I praised about it so much to her, and then she bought it. She bought it in an offer for 350 rupees. Think about it, it's a maxi gown, perfectly great quality, and she got it for 350 rupees. That is why I asked her to shop in sales, guys. It's a size small and it couldn't fit her, so I got it from her, and this has been my savior while staying at home, seriously, because here I can't wear shorts or any these kind of thing, even this that I'm wearing right now for the camera. Since it's white, I had thought previously that it might look transparent, but it's absolutely not. As I told you, the quality of all Zivame things are so amazing. The material is pretty thick. And fun fact number 2, while I'm putting this clip here, the gown was completely wet in this, and it's still not transparent. And why it is wet is because the day I was shooting these clips, I had not told my mom that to not drop it in the wash, and it went to the wash, but I had to complete the shoot the same day, so I just wore it wet. There's so much behind the scenes effort that you might never ever see, so please subscribe. Moving on to the third product from Zivame again. It's again a gown, but this one is not at all the cutesy. This is very ladylike, you know. This is a little thinner material, but the material is so damn soft, and I love how it fits on me as well. Again a size small, and it's a little loose on me, like little. Loungewear is supposed to be that way, but again if I had gone excess, it might have fit me like good fitting. This one also I got for around 400, and again sales, guys. None of these products, if you buy on their website or app directly, they'll all be above 1000 rupees, but wait for the sales and buy in the sales. That was the last one from Zivame. And next, moving on to a very competitive brand to Zivame, it's Clovia. I've got two things from Clovia till date, and Clovia is a lot cheaper than Zivame, even not in sales. Like, you'll get Zivame cheap or affordable in sales, but Clovia is usually affordable. And I've got two things from them. I got this one dress, and then I got one more set of pant and top, but that one I had to return because the pants were really tight. As per their size chart, I got a size S, usually how I get for Zivame, but the pants didn't fit at all. They were not just tight, but they were not well fitted. They had those creases going around the crotch portion, you know, it just looks very weird, so I had to return that one. But this one is less than 300 rupees. Like, I got so many things for 1100 at that time, so this dress comes to be less than 300 rupees, and it's really gorgeous for that much money, and it's really very soft also. Now, talking about quality, it's perfectly fine. This one being so bright also didn't lose a lot of color. Just for the first wash it lost some color, but not after that. Just that the golden thing that it has, it's kind of wearing out with every wash, and that's, I think, acceptable. Great thing about this one is that it has pockets. Who doesn't like pockets? And also Zivame's shorts also have pockets. Their dresses don't have it, but their shorts and their pants have it, so I love that about that. The next brand that I have is not a loungewear brand, but they have some good loungewear sets and dresses. This is a satin set. I got it from Lulu & Sky. I have made a haul on this before, and why I got it is basically to style it as a skirt, because satin in themselves are very expensive, but this is just 400 rupees. If you wanna know how I'm gonna style this or how to save money buying satins, go check out the Lulu & Sky haul. I'll be linking it here and also leaving it in the description. For 400 rupees, the quality is absolutely amazing. I got size S. It fits me great, and the thing that I love the most, it came with a ribbon. Things like this are like so small, but they are so useful. Now, these were all the brands that you can shop from their own apps, like Zivame, Clovia and Lulu & Sky. All of them have their own app. Moving on to the brands that are not very popular, but they are the best. Now, first brand that I'm going to show you is Sweet Dreams. This is a brand that I have unknowingly loved for last 10 years of my life. Long story short, I got a night dress from a local shop in Akola when I used to stay in Akola in my 11th standard, and that time I got this dress. I didn't know anything about brands and all at that point, So I just loved this dress. I wore it throughout my college and the quality was so amazing that it lasted me so long. I wore it as a night dress, then I wore it for Holi. I just couldn't give it up for so long. I finally saw this brand logo in one of the Pune stores and then I realized that it is like a bigger brand. Recently I got 2 sets from them on Myntra and both of these sets are around 900. The real price is lot more, I think around 1500-1600, but again shop sales, I got them in sales for 900 rupees and absolutely worth it. The quality, as I told you already, is amazing. This one right here, which is like a pretty floral print, this is not cotton, this is cotton mixed polyester, but quality is really awesome. Pants here are those hojeri / cotton mix material. This kind of material is very thick, you don't have to give it any kind of special care, so that's great. The next set that I got from them is again around 900 rupees. It is the collar detail kind of a top and this is really in trend. You can see it all over Instagram. It has like a pink colored pant. Now this is a very dark color, so I had thought that it would bleed a lot of color, but only the first wash did. Any washes after that didn't bleed a lot of color and the black one didn't lose color at all. The black one is in the size S. The size S is because I couldn't get a size M. Whenever you're buying from Myntra, just trust their size charts. It mostly is perfect. So I got this one in S because they didn't have M. So you can see the pants fit me a little tight, but that's totally fine. The other one is in size M and that fits me perfectly, as you can see. This brand Sweet Dreams is available on Ajio and I think Flipkart as well. So, and also their website obviously. The next brand that I have here is Mr. Paris. Now this one is available on Myntra. I didn't see quite a lot of things on Ajio, but they have it on Ajio as well. This brand is something I came across in a filter copy YouTube video and I wanted to try it out, and the brand is really good. The prices otherwise are not very affordable. Like this is a jumpsuit and this was originally for some 1200 rupees I think, but in sale I got it for 600 rupees and it's more than worth it for 600 rupees because this is a kind of a piece that I am planning to wear outside as well. It works perfectly fine like that. The sizing that I got in this one is M and fits me great. For a jumpsuit, those with more height sometimes have a problem that the torso doesn't fit them. I am 5'7" and this fits me good, but I would say if you are more heighted than me, this might not be the best thing for you. You can always just go and try it out, but the brand in itself is really good. The quality is amazing. I love that. Would I buy it for their original price? Maybe not. Generally because I am a person who just always has to shop in sales, but again if there's a versatile piece like this one which you can wear outside, I wouldn't really mind paying up to like 900,000 rupees for this as well. Also tie-dye print, guys, I'm just so in love with tie-dye right now and this didn't bleed at all, which I was like really surprised about because the color is bright, and again tie-dyes tend to lose a lot of color but this one didn't at all. The next brand that I have and the last brand from Myntra is Adornite. These are the two things that you can see. This one you might have seen in so many of my videos already and this one I'm wearing for the first time today. These tops are so pretty. The thing that I loved most about this brand is their designs. Look at this bow detail, man. It's so amazing. I'm definitely planning to wear all of this outside and that is why I feel they are worth the money. This one is 900 rupees and I still feel it's totally worth it. The top is so pretty and the shorts have this ruffle kind of a detail. These ones don't have pockets sadly, but that's just fine. The ones that came with this don't have ruffles and the material is different from every set to set. Like for example, this one is more of a polyester mixed cotton, but this seems more like cotton. So the size M in this fit me like absolutely perfectly, but size M in this is a little loose for me. But I again think S would have been a little too tight for a loungewear. This brand is available on Myntra and Ajio as well. That was it. That was all the things that I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video, it would mean a lot to me, and also share it with your friends. There are so many other hauls and other videos also on the channel. So many are coming up as well. 2 or 3 Ajio hauls are coming. Some Amazon stationery and home decor hauls are coming. Again, so many other videos are coming which I'm so sure that you'll find useful. So that was it for today's video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another video next week. Till then, bye bye.